Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, it is our first video of 2023, so I hope everyone had a good Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. And in today's video, we're going to be having a bit of a review of the year from 2022. We will be breaking this video down into a number of sections. I've got my notes here, like the workshop, the channel and project. We've also got some mail to open at some point throughout this video. Now, if I start with the easy one, which is the workshop, we did quite a lot of changes in the workshop in 2021. However, we haven't actually done any changes in the past year, but we've been focusing more on a different space that we've been creating for some of our bigger equipment, so that we don't have things like the mini excavator in the workshop while we're trying to work on tractors. The next thing we're going to talk about is the channel, this was the big year for the channel. We got past 1,000 subscribers, which is a massive milestone, and thank you to everyone that helped us get there. And we are closing in on 4,000 watch hours, which is the magic number for getting a small amount of income that we can reinvest into the videos to hopefully make them even better. And quite a big number for you. Our total views across all of our videos is now over 148,000. And in the previous year, we continued to struggle for time to continue our Workshop Wednesday series. However, last year we managed to do all of the months quite consistently, and in the new year we'll keep trying to find time between school commitments and other things to continue our Workshop Wednesday series. Now on to the next section, which is our project, and alongside the things we do off of YouTube, we started the year with putting our snow equipment on some tractors just in case we got any snow, and predictably we didn't. So in the spring, we had to take it all off again. So that was helpful. And then we had a few issues with the Bolens HT20. First, we had the valve on one of the tyres decided to break, which led to a flat tyre. So we had to sort that out. And then we also had a breakdown when the fuel primer stopped working, which stalled the tractor. And then Dad left the ignition on after it had stalled, which burnt out the coil. So then we had to put a brand new coil on it, which is a bit expensive, and also had to replace the fuel primer. And here's a bit of video from us testing it as it was getting dark after fixing both of those problems. Next project was then our 1970 red Bolens 1253, which we finished off and got running, and that ran decently well and still does, and featured more recently in our Christmas video as Rudolph. And here's a short bit of video of when we first fired it up after getting it working, and it had been sitting for multiple years. probably our biggest project of 2022, which was our 1968 wheel horse Raider 9, or Raider 10 as we thought it was at the start of the project. And we did a full mechanical restoration on it pretty much, which we were not intending on doing from the very start, but it turned out very nice, and we'll insert some clips of that tractor now. We did start 2 other tractor projects this year, which was the 1960 Bolens Ridermatic and the Moto Standard 1010. I say started because we haven't finished either of them. However, we do now have the parts that we need for the 1960 Ridermatic, or that we know of that we need already. So we have them, so we can continue with that at some point. However, we'd like to get a bit further and try and finish the Moto Standard 1010 first, which we've been working on a lot more recently. And then in the past year, we've also done a couple of non-tractor projects, like when we restored our garden bench and also put wheels on our grit blaster, which made that a lot nicer thing to have in the workshop, seeing as it's a big piece of equipment that we can now actually move about. And some of the things we did this year finally went in the workshop, because after a couple of years off, we could finally go back to shows, and we went to 2 this year. We went to Little Ellingham and also the Strumpshaw Steam Rally, so here's a couple of clips from them. Now, before we go on to what we're going to do in 2023, we're going to go back to the post, and we have 2 pieces here. Both are from the US of A, and I'll start with the letter. And we know who both of these pieces of post are from, because they have helpfully written their names on the front of them. Hopefully another thing that's happened over 2022 is I've gotten a bit better at opening post with my letter opener. Now this one is from Huser Helpers, and nice Christmassy design on there. Oh. And we have 2 stickers here. I actually got that wrong, it's even better than 2 stickers. One of them is a sticker with Jason's design on, and the other one is his sticker design as a magnet. How cool is that? So, and we've also got a very nice letter here from Jason. So please do check out his channel at Huser Helps. There will be a link to his channel in the description of this video, so be sure to go check him out. Now on to the package here. And we do know who this is from, as we said before, because it says on the front who it's from. And as I was saying earlier about package opening getting better, I think I still have some room for improvement. And this is from Kimber Zelik in the US. And excited to see what he has sent us here. Oh. And as you can see, a couple of his stickers on here. It's definitely from Kimber, and he is a very skilled hobby, or as he puts here, student machinist, and has recently been rebuilding and improving his lathe. Looks like we've got a package within a package here, and I'll now continue opening, being careful not to damage Kimber's stickers there. And then we can see what is inside. Time to show you what's in here. And by the looks of it, we've got a nice note. I will put that down there to the side for reading. And I believe there's some other stuff in here too. Here we go. He has sent us many stickers here. That's 6 of these Kimber Zelik stickers and one of these nice reflective ones. That is very cool. And he's also sent us some stickers from other channels, Shark River Machine and Kaija Machine. Apologies if I've said that incorrectly. And we will definitely check out these 2 channels. And also, as well as all of these stickers, he has sent us a Kimber Zelik t-shirt. That is very cool. It says on here to wash before use, and obviously I'd like to look after this, so I will listen to that and I won't put it on right now. However, I will get it out to show you the design on it. There you go. Look at that. That is very cool. I can't believe Kimber has been this generous to send us this much stuff. The very nice t-shirt and the large array of stickers that we've also got. So thank you very much, Kimber, for all of that. And make sure to go check out his channel. The link will be in the description for ease of access. And make sure to follow along with his videos, like, comment, and all of that stuff. And while I will follow the wash before use part and not wear it yet, it will feature for the rest of this video. Moving on to 2023, we will be looking to finish off the Moto Standard 1010 project, which is in full swing at the moment, and also finish off our other partway finished project, which is the 1960 Bolens Ridermatic. We also have another tractor attachment that we'd like to be making videos on fairly soon, so stay tuned for that. You have not seen the attachment before in videos. And also, I'm sure we'll come up with even more ideas throughout the year that we will put into videos for you. And we also had another idea of putting a modern engine into one of our old tractors to see how that helps with reliability, etc. And with that, that is everything on the sheet. And that is the end of our roundup of 2022. So let's hope that 2023 goes well, and a happy new year to everyone watching from me and from Kimber. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.